and bruised, but bruised heels still crush serpent's head, and that when your spirit returns back to you, that it is a sign to hell that no weapon formed against you is going to prosper. Girl, get your fight back. Girl, get your power back. Girl, start acting like you are a king's daughter, and that there has always been a crown attached to your head. Girl, get up again. Girl, depression gotta let you go. Girl, anxiety has to lose its hold. Girl, get up.
When I think how much better I'm gonna be when this is over.
I smile, even though I hurt, see I smile. I know God is working, so I smile.
The greatest version of you is not the I can do anything version of you. The greatest version of you is the disciplined version of you. The greatest version of you is the version that has parameters. No, I don't do that. I don't drink that. I don't go there with these people. I'm focused. I have a prize that's in front of me. I know what I'm supposed to do, and that ain't it. I have to stay right here.
Lord, you reign in this.
Hi, Mr. Granger.
There's a world full of mercy and peace, mercy and peace, waiting for me. There's a land for the lost and the least, where they dine with the King, waiting for me. Yeah, His holiness fills up the temple. Still He took my sin and my shame. I didn't deserve to be rescued. Still He has called me by name. I'll stand firm with confidence till He comes again. Till He comes again. I'll keep my mind stayed on Him to the very end. To the very end. I'll stand firm with confidence till He comes again. Till
My therapist taught me this, and it's about like accepting the seasons. Weather can never be the same. That's just not how the world works. You know what I'm saying? It can never rain all day, every day. Like we'd flood. That's just not how the world works. So maybe you're in a season, but the weather always has to change.
Come on and say,
all the way back, we started it, do it over, never straight.